The second strategy has a slightly different approach. We want to re-engage with those website visitors who didn't opt in because they didn't like our offer, okay? So instead of sending them back to the same squeeze page, we'll send them to a new squeeze page that offers a new lead magnet, a new irresistible bribe. So you can offer them completely different content, or you can just change the format of that content. For example, let's say you offered your target audience an ebook on how to get 1,000 Facebook fans within 24 hours for $10. What you could do is either offering them a video or a checklist on a new squeeze page covering that particular topic, or expose them to a new strategy. For example, how to get 1,000 Twitter fans, or 1,000 email subscribers, or 1,000 blog readers. Re-engage with the website visitors of your first squeeze page and offer them something else that is still relevant and in line with their desired outcome. So let's get started deploying this strategy, and I'll see you in the next video.